Again, I've never put a wig on before, so forgive me if things don't go the way you think that they should. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace, and we're going to be conversing today. So today we're talking about wigs, and this is my first wig video. I did a make your own wig video a long time ago, but I have purchased a couple of wigs, and I'm unboxing one, and then I'm going to show you the other one. I'm super excited about this because I really wanted to get into wigs, but I'm not super excited about learning how to lay them in the front, and I feel like that's a little bit extra for me. I like protective styles, but I'm more of like a crochet girl. But if I could find an inexpensive wig to put on when I don't have my hair done or I just don't feel like doing my hair that day, super duper clutch. And also I wanted to find one for my mom who is older and just wanted to have a different look than what she's used to. So I have my first wig here, and it is from Amazon. It is called the ELIM Short Curly Kinky Wig for Black women. And you know how they had like this long title for all of their things? I just wanted a short curly wig. And so the picture is of a girl in a really cute wig. And I don't know if she gave them this picture, and I wasn't really sure if the wig was going to look like this, but she looks super dope. And as I scrolled through the pictures, I saw a lot of people wearing the same wig. And to me, it's super duper cute, but all the pictures were kind of different. So I was a little bit worried about it, but I purchased the wig anyway because it was $26. And 26 bucks is something that I can afford. So here's the wig. It comes in a box. And what I'm gonna do tonight is put it on my mannequin head, kind of let it fluff up, come to life, and do whatever. But I wanted to show you the box that it comes in and what it looks like straight out of the pack. It also comes with a brush whose bristles look a little broken, but I'm probably not going to use that brush anyway, so that's fine. Take the wig out. Oh my goodness. Underneath the wig, there's also a pair of earrings, a mesh cap, there's a wig cap. This is the wrong color, so I will not be using it. Information about the brand, and it comes with a little bag. I'm assuming to put the wig in, but I will not be putting my wig back in the bag. I'm going to put it on my mannequin, and that's going to be that. Let's take this out. It's a little shiny. I think I'm going to like the look of it better in natural light and not just from my ring light. So you can see, by wig standards, I don't know if this is great or not great. But again, it was $26. It does have the stretchy band here with a little clip on it. Inside, there's one here and one here. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to leave mine unclipped because I have a big head. So I'm going to determine which side is the front, and then I'm going to put her on my mannequin. And I really like how the curls kind of bounce back. I'm assuming that brushing or combing through it would be helpful, but I really like the way these curls kind of bounce back. I'm gonna put her on my mannequin for the night, get her turned right, and I'm gonna just let her sit for the night. And then when I get up in the morning, we gonna see what's popping with this wig. All right. I'm back. I got a full face on. It's morning. It's actually my mom's birthday, but I also wanted to get super duper cute because I have been so in love with this makeup collection that I found and am doing a collaboration with. It is called Current Event Cosmetics, and I will put the link to Current Event Cosmetics in the description box because I am living for all of her palette shades and all of her lippies. Oh my gosh, it's a Black-owned brand and it's a socially conscious brand, and Current Event's mission is to wear the change you want to see and make adversity look good on you. So I am super excited to be collaborating with this brand. Like, just look at me. Look at me. Okay, let me get back to the hair because that's what this is about. I'm going to put on my wig cap because I want to put this wig on and just see what she does. Have a regular black wig cap, and I actually must admit I've never worn a wig cap before. I've always done the mesh caps that stretch. So having a tight wig cap is gonna be different for me. I also noticed with this wig there are no combs, so that's gonna be interesting. I have a huge head and I really need the combs to make it stay on my head, and it was $26, so I'm not gonna complain too much. Let me grab the wig. So here she is. She's been on my mannequin head all night. I did not fluff her up, but I actually took the brush out of the pack. I think I am going to use the brush to kind of fluff her a little bit. Again, I've never put a wig on before, so forgive me if things don't go the way you think that they should. So let me turn her a little bit. She is super fluffy. And I know I will not be putting those little hooks in the back because she's already tight on my head. Let's come down and get some bangs. I love how fluffy it is. I really do. I just need to get these curls under control, and I like that the hair feels very, very soft. So let's do like that. She is super soft, and I've actually only worn a part this way, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it that way. I was actually able to fix the brush so the little prongs were not weird, but I want to brush through it, but I don't want to tangle it, or I don't want to hurt the curls. But it's a super pretty wig. It's really giving me First Lady vibes. I am so glad that the curls are fluffy because I can tame fluffy curls. What I cannot do is add more curls to a synthetic wig. I don't want to do the hot water and the dipping and all of that stuff. So I'm glad that these curls are already super fluffy. So I put on the earrings that they sent with the wig, and you definitely need a bigger pair of earrings. Like, this is a big fluffy wig. I saw in the reviews that some people trimmed it, and I might do a little bit of a trim, but I really like this vibe. I really like how fluffy it is. I like the length, and when you comb out the curls some more, it gets a little bit longer. I don't want to cut it too much because I like it the way it is. What I'm working on here is getting this little area to not look so wiggy, but like, just look how full it is. It looks really, really good. It's super fun. It's not as shiny as it looked when I first got it out of the box, but this little section here is really what I'm working on. But I really like this wig. It's super fun. I'm gonna show you the wig that I purchased for my mom. It is a salt and pepper wig, and then I did trim that one because she doesn't really do big hair like me, but that wig came out really, really great too. The information for both of these wigs in the description box below. This is not a paid partnership. I'm just excited to find inexpensive wigs and inexpensive hair that actually looks really, really pretty. I don't know how this wig will hold up over time, but again, it's $26, and for the most part, I'm gonna keep it on my mannequin head. If you have any questions about this wig, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a great day.